Are you serious? Of course, starts freaking trying to rain. I'm trying to do this video. Ay, way, freaking Texas weather. What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serrano's Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Happy Friday, guys. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. Man, allergy season is here. There is a lot of pollen. It's crazy. So, I don't know. I think many of you guys have noticed the coughing. Sometimes it goes away, sometimes it goes back. I think it's allergies, to be honest. There's days where I'm good, and then there's days where it just acts up. So I think it's definitely allergies. But I'm definitely improving, I believe, on the cough. So I'm trying different techniques, different things to hopefully eliminate that coughing a lot, right? But today's video, guys, is gonna be really quick, guys. Let me show you really quick what we are going to be using today. And we are gonna be using the Meguiars Ultimate Black Trim or Plastic Restore. Easy, simply spray and walk away, extreme 100+ wash durability. So that's what we're going to be using today. I'm going to be talking a little bit about the product in my user experience, where I use it, my honest feedback on it. But really quickly, I'm going to go ahead and I just washed the car or the truck really quick. But for this scenario, I'm going to prep it. I'm using the PNS panel prep just to kind of help with the bonding on here. And then once I get all set up, I'll bring you guys in and we'll talk about this product. So for today's video, guys, we're gonna be using the dressing on my side mirrors, and I am so sorry if you can't really see this plastic, but after 6 years, you know, it's starting to take a little bit of fadeness. Obviously you can't really see it, so I do apologize for that. We're gonna be using it on the mirror, and we're gonna be using it on this side of the bumper. I think maybe the bumper, you can kind of see the dullness on it, but that is where we're going to be using it on. And let's get started. All right, so this Meguiars Ultimate Black Trim Restore, I will always call these types of products trim enhancements, because I don't think it's gonna really restore. And I'd be lying to you guys. I've had this product on the driver's side, I think going on 2 weeks, and this is how it looks after 2 weeks, which I did this whole mirror and I did that black piece as well, so you guys can kind of see how it's looked, right? So this is about after 2 weeks of applying it. It's holding on pretty good, right? And I do like that it still looks very natural. It looks new, so that's a plus. That is a plus. So that kind of gives you an idea, guys, of really, I guess, like long-term durability. We're at 2 weeks on that side. But for this video, guys, I want to show you guys how I've used it. Does it hold for 100 washes? I don't know, because I don't wash my truck. Like, I'm thinking of doing it and using it on my wife's car and going to pay the monthly subscription and literally running the car at least 50 times and see if this holds. But who knows? We'll see. But for this video, this is an aerosol, it's a spray-on product. So the odor on it, it definitely, there's an odor to it, right? But really the intentions of this product is to create a rich darkness as well as UV protection on this, right? I've gone ahead and did the preparation and everything, so I'm gonna show you guys how I do it, to give you guys an idea. I definitely don't want to make this video very long, but let me put the camera on this side and hopefully we don't get all that the mist to you guys. So one of the things maybe for some that you might not like is that it's gonna, like, it's overspray, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and always shake your product really well, which I've done, and then I just spray it on. And I'm not too close to the product. I'm at a nice little distance, but I will go ahead and usually spray it nicely like that. And one of the things that it does say on the product is if it gets on the glass to wipe it off immediately. But for this case, I really want to just leave it on there real quick and see what it does. But I'm gonna go ahead and just spray it evenly. And you guys can see definitely the overspray factor of the product, right? And I'm gonna go ahead and now just, I know this overspray has been sitting on this glass. Okay, so definitely wipe it off immediately. So this is one of the things that you got to be careful for, and I will show you right here. Oh man, I don't think you guys will be able to see it, but right here, it has definitely became like a permanent, you really gotta wipe it. It's became very permanent. So the overspray, if it hits your glass, it becomes very permanent, which I'll use my razor blade to remove it. But let me see if I can get you guys a little bit closer so you guys can see what I am talking about. And it's literally right here. Let's see, we can, right here. So right here you can see the fine mist of the spray, and look at that, guys. You will literally need like a razor blade to remove that. So we're going to talk about that as well. So if you are using this product, just know that you better wipe it off very quickly off of your glass, because it will stain, guys. So obviously I didn't see that one the last time on the other side because I did wipe it off, but for this scenario I was like, let me just leave it on there and see if I can remove it. Yeah, good luck. It's pretty permanent on the glass. We're gonna go ahead and just do this bumper, this front bumper, and let's just spray it on there nicely. Apply evenly. I will say, once you spray this on there, this becomes quite permanent. It gives the trim a really nice look. It's definitely giving you the rich and darkness, as it's said on the as it's advertised, right? And then it says once this product is in, you can use your towel to wipe, blend in, right? And this should be it's not greasy from what the product says. So we're gonna just blend it in with the towel, right? We're gonna just blend it in, and that's pretty much it. As far as, it is definitely not greasy, so that's a plus. You can feel safe that it is not greasy. So it's pretty much a quick permanent seal. So that's how I would use this product, and it definitely looks really well. Like now it definitely makes the plastic look rich and dark. I'm gonna show you another area where I use this product. All right, so to end this quick video, guys, really quick final thoughts on this product is, one is you might use a lot of this product. This is like $11 at your local Walmart. Is this a good investment for your business? I mean, for $11, it's doing really, really well, guys. Obviously, I've seen this one, but in like the bottle. So the bottle might work as well. I've never used that one. This one just caught my attention because it was in a can. And in my head, I was like, oh, this is just a quick, you know, like a quick detailer or a quick spray on. But really, after using it, at the 2 weeks mark, it's doing really well. So the $12 is gonna last you quite some time, at least 2 weeks, right? Like I said, I may try it on my wife's car and run it through the car wash like at least 50 times. Pay the $25, the cheapest one, and run it, right? And see how it comes out. It'll come out pretty scratched up probably, but anyways, for the price, I think it's really good. I love the gloss. I love that it's not sticky. It's not like it doesn't leave any residue. So once it's on contact, it's on contact. Different areas I've used it as well is like my where I would use it is on the older model cars that if the plastic is very faded, it's very dull. If it's black, I would probably spray some of this and let it blend in there. And then I'll just come back maybe after like 5 minutes or so and just, you know, remove it with the towel. And I think it should give it a very good look. I would even use this on my speakers that are dull. I would use that in that as well. I would use it on vents that are dull, that are faded, and it would look really, really good. Anything that's black and it's faded, I would definitely use this. And I think even on the interior, it would last a little bit longer. And it gives it just a very, very nice look on the vents. I sprayed it in a couple areas just to test, right? And it's looking really well. But really, for a $12 investment at your local Walmart, I think it's nice. Just know that be careful on the glass. As soon as it gets on the glass, you better wipe it off. Or unless you want to tape off the glass, then do that, right? Or roll down the windows, right? I would probably roll down the windows for this scenario. It was me kind of just doing it like as a starter and spraying it on. But definitely wipe it off very quickly because it will stain your glass, and you'll probably need a razor blade to remove that overspray. But anyways, guys, I hope today's video kind of, you know, if you've been eyeing this one at your local Walmart, I mean, for $12, I think you're gonna be okay. You won't feel like you just got ripped off because it's doing its job. At 2 weeks, I'm very happy with the way it's looking. But if you've tried this, let me know what you think of it. I actually like it. I don't like the fact that it will stain the glass very quickly. So for that reason, I'm kind of like, I don't know if I really want to keep using it. But for the reason of how well it's left my mirror on this side and the durability for that, I'm like, this is actually working. But, you know, take this video and my input and see, you know, kind of try it out. If you've tried it out, let me know what you think about it. But so far, at 2 weeks, the mirror is holding off pretty well. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. And I hope this Texas weather just kind of finally lets off and no more rain, because it's literally been raining this morning and now the sun is out, but then it's like it's raining Sunday, then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's looking crazy. So pray for us detailers out here in Dallas. We want to work. Anyways, you guys have a blessed day. I'll catch you guys on the next video.